Welcome to Ideal Fine Arts Academy, Enia Foyt, where creativity begins.
With Adobe Photoshop, you'll learn photo editing, color correction, retouching, and creative visual design, everything from basic to advanced level.
Adobe Illustrator helps you create logos, vector illustrations, and professional branding designs.
In Adobe InDesign, you'll master magazine layouts, brochures, typography, and print-ready designs.
CorelDRAW is perfect for flex design, banners, visiting cards, and creative vector artwork. With Figma, you'll learn UI/UX design for apps and websites using modern design systems.
Learn, design, succeed. Join Ideal Fine Arts Academy today.